Welcome to my sticker studio. Remember those cute stickers from my ultimate guide? The full set of 107 is here, plus hundreds more from my own drawings, coloring books, including my free 30-page one, and quick designs from scrap paper. You can make all of these yourself. Get ready for a sticker explosion as we gear up for the launch of my Sticker Storybook series. I'm Angeliki, and welcome to my studio. So if you missed it, be sure to watch my ultimate sticker making guide. The link is up above. I show you how to make stickers from either parchment paper or pages of double-sided tape. I show you how to print your digital coloring books in miniature, and I introduce you to fussy cutting and talk about the different types of scissors to use. I demonstrated all these things as I turned 23 of the 107 pages of a toddler's first coloring book into super cute little stickers, and now I've finished them all, and I want to show you the rest. So let's dive in, because there are lots of stickers in many styles that I want to show you today and tell you how you can make them for yourself. For stickers printed from coloring books, here are a few size comparisons to the original pages and some options you have. These stickers here are all from the Toddler book, and they're printed 2x2 with a landscape setting that gives you the smallest versions. You could do portrait and they would be a little bit bigger. These are some of my favorites. I just adore them. You'll get to see them up close a little bit later. Now these are printed full size. You'll see quite a few stickers today that were printed full size. And this was printed 4 to a page. You can play around portrait or landscape. Landscape gives you smaller, portrait gives you bigger. And that one, yeah, I love that image. I used it on the cover. I've only made a few stickers from this book. I think they're gonna look great in the sticker storybooks that are coming up. There are a lot of trees in this one and birds, and they're just gonna look great in those sticker storybooks. Now this book, I've just made a mountain of stickers. It translates really well to stickers. The detail shows up great. Lots of flowers, lots of whimsy. So cute. And lots of bouquets. There's just tons of little floral bouquets in here. And then there's a few series. This is one series that I put in because I thought they would be great colored and framed and put on the wall to decorate your house. But it turns out they also make really cute stickers. They're going to be cute in those storybooks. Really nice ephemera for junk journals, fodder for art journals, and of course decorating personal belongings. These would be so cute. Decorating phone cases or a laptop. And there's just so many different ways you can color these, decorate them. Now here's an example of different sizes. All right, so the full size page looks great. Then I've got 2 different sizes of stickers, one printed portrait, one printed landscape. And then also bear in mind, these are all these books that we're looking at are the hardcover versions of my books. And their hardcovers on Amazon are slightly smaller than paperbacks. And so the images in the digital books, if you were to download those, they're a little bit larger. Now these are all full size. You can just color them in and print them out. Same here. I think there's more to add to this page. Yeah, there you go. Lots of cute. Just, so adorable. And here's another one. Looks great. Full size, but then look at the comparison. It's just so delicate. These are full size. No need to create miniatures on this one. These are also full size. Yeah, there's a lot of full size options. And this one, I just love it. This is, you could see, I actually put this one on the cover. It's just so dang cute. I think this would just be really cute, colored and framed. Now here's another series. These are a series of 6 mushroom scenes, very whimsical mushroom scenes. Again, I put these in because I thought they would be great framed as art, wall decor. But they're just so cute as stickers. You'll see them up close. And then these are the last two in this batch, a couple of floral bouquets. There are a lot of floral bouquets in this book. So pretty. Lots of uses. Lots of options. Now I'm going to show you close-ups of all the stickers and all the styles I've made so far, but don't fast forward through this because I want you to use this for inspiration and to get ideas on what kinds of stickers you'd like to make and how you might like to color them. And while we go through this little sticker parade, let me also talk to you about these sticker storybooks, where these stickers are going to play such a central role. Sticker storybooks are cousins to art journals and junk journals. They're also related to the color forms idea. Google that if you never played with color forms as a kid, and even paper dolls, but they're not just for kids. They offer lots of uses and creative enjoyment for adults of all ages. Sticker storybooks could be used as vision boards and as art and junk journals that you can revise and update, because while some of the stickers will decorate the background of the books, many of them will be mounted and will be detachable and movable in and out of the pages. What I will create for these children's stickers are storybooks that have backgrounds like a jungle or forest or underwater or a farm or bakery or inside a house. And then these stickers become a way to play with telling stories against those backdrops. Imagine a child picking some stickers for a set of pages and asking you or a friend to tell a story about them. Or the possibility of children in a classroom picking stickers for a story and asking classmates to tell stories about what's happening. Or they could pick their own stickers, their own pages, their own backdrops, and tell their own stories. It's powerful to pick and decorate your own images and your own books and use them to tell stories. This is powerful even for adults. In fact, stories are the engine of our world. Everything you see is tied to a story of some kind, which is why I think this idea is a seed that is going to grow into a mighty, mighty oak. So back to this children's storybook. Imagine a storybook with a bakery page filled with lots of cupcakes and donuts and jars of colorful sweets. You can move them in and out, move them around. Or imagine an army of robots or sharks and the fun and drama of the stories that could be told around that. Or an airport with planes and helicopters all lined up and flying around. Or an ocean filled with ships and sailboats. These become custom storybooks based on what a child is in the mood for on that day. I mean, just how fun is that? I wish I had something like that when I was a kid. These will be great after school hobbies as well. Great for aftercare, daycare, right? It's an ongoing thing. What do you want to add to your sticker storybook today? What changes do you want to make? What new stickers do you want to create? What new pages do you want to add? I'll show you how to create these books that are very customizable. You can add pages, you can replace pages, switch things out. They're very versatile. I think it's just going to be so much fun. I'm really excited to show you what these are all about. We're getting to the end of the sticker parade for the toddler stickers, and as I said, these are all from just one book. If you'd like to make these for yourself or for the young people in your life, you can download the book from the link below. In the future, I'll make stickers from the 107 pages in my other toddler book, Super Cute Animals, but for now, we've got lots of stickers to use to launch the Sticker Storybooks. Now we'll take a quick look at the details of the stickers I've made from my Relaxing Flower and Garden coloring book. We'll move quickly through these coloring book stickers before we get to the things you haven't seen yet from my free book, my own drawings, and even stickers you can make on the fly from spare bits of paper. They're just so cool. I'll leave it to you to imagine the uses for these stickers for both children as well as adults. And while we take a look at them, let me talk a little bit about art supplies. You can use any of your favorite art supplies to color these. If you're a fan of colored pencils, then use those. I use primarily Ohuhu alcohol markers, Sioux Color glitter gel pens, and also their line of regular gel pens. And I use Graby acrylic paint pens. I have a set of 48. They're gorgeous. And sometimes I use Posca paint pens and Jelly Roll gel pens. Primarily they're white fine liner in different sizes. And also I love to use Stickles glitter glue for sparkle. If you watch my videos, you already know that. But even crayons will work, and you could actually paint. I mean paint. Watercolor, acrylic, you could paint any of these pages if you want to by first covering it with a layer of clear gesso. Gesso is a kind of an art primer that will keep the paper from buckling. So I recently picked up a bunch of glow-in-the-dark art supplies, and my plan is to color up a pile of glow-in-the-dark stickers. That sounds so cool to me. Stay tuned to see how they turn out. I hope I'm not disappointed. I mean, glow-in-the-dark stickers in a sticker storybook? I mean, how fun is that? So here are the handful of stickers I've made from my Color Your Way to Calm coloring book. Lots more to come from that. And I have a whole video, I'll link it up above, a whole video on making these butterfly stickers if you want to see the journey that they went through to be colored. Okay, now these are all from my free coloring book, which is 30 pages of super cute whimsical doodles. Every single page lends itself perfectly to making stickers, and I only colored up a few of the pages. These are colored and fussy cut. I know that there's certain things I haven't done yet, like I haven't figured out what color I want to make their skin, their fur. There's a little bit more color and sparkle that I want to add to them before I put them on the sticky tape. And it's going to be fun to finish these off and work on coloring up more of those pages. But that book is definitely a must-have for anybody into making cute stickers. The book has got lots of pages of cute forest and jungle animals. It has all sorts of baked goods and sweets. It has these pages of these cute little mice and kitty cats doing silly, adorable things, and they're small in the book, but when you've got a digital book, you can play with the size, right? So you can blow them up to whatever size you want. These baked goods are all ready to go. They're colored, they're sparkled. I have a couple shorts in my coloring shorts playlist. Go check them out. You watch me color them up and decorate them. Really cute for inspiration. Okay, we're at the second to last little clip. These are all from my own doodles, really. They're my own drawings. They were just silly doodles I did one day, and then I colored them up the same way I would a coloring book with alcohol markers and some glitter gel pens in some cases, some white fine liner, and they just turned out so cute, just adorable. If you'd like me to do a video that teaches you how to make these little things, let me know in the comments. These flowers are all quite simple. There are some images coming up that are more detailed, but I can do a tutorial on any of these if you're interested. Just let me know. Got some cute little bunnies and just some designs and this exotic bird and a family of dragonflies and a family of elephants and a family of fish. It's just so fun to do this type of silly thing. Well, we have reached the last segment, and this is where anything goes, where you can use up all your spare paper, and the only limit is your creativity. Here's the story. When you're putting images down on sticker paper, you will usually have open spaces where you don't have anything that's the right size or shape to fit. So you take your leftover paper scraps, the paper you've used to swatch your markers, the paper you've used to protect your coloring pages from marker bleed through, and any of your homemade collage paper, and you cut out shapes either freehand or with the use of paper punches or stencils, and you fit these shapes into the open spaces. If you want, you can even decorate these paper bits further with any of your art supplies, and then you make them into stickers as usual. And you end up with all these little shapes that you can use for whatever you want, but of course you know that I have them in mind for my upcoming sticker storybooks. You can use geometric shapes, the outer part of images that you've punched out with a paper punch, right? That's what we're looking at here with the hearts and the little flower. And the inside part is going to be transparent when it's laid down as a sticker. You can create flowers, you can create hearts, just, fold a piece of paper in half and cut out hearts of all different sizes and decorate them up however you want. Here are flowers I made from some bleed-through paper that most people throw away. Here are some little flowers I made from some collage paper that I made with my jelly plate. I just had it on hand, right? A stack, and I pull whatever is handy. These are hearts that I made from swatch paper. When I'm coloring with markers, I swatch as I go along, and it's filled with scribbles, and I just made little hearts, and I put them right down on the sticky tape, and I decorated them right on the paper. And I was like, I'm just gonna use my left hand and use glitter glue and markers, and look how cute they turned out. Anybody of any age could do this, and they're just so satisfying. Well, we've covered so much ground today. Thank you for spending this time with me, and I hope you got some great ideas for your own projects. Links to all the books we covered are below, as are all the links to my other sticker making videos. Be sure to subscribe to follow my Sticker Storybook series when it comes out soon. Until next time, happy coloring and happy sticker making!